Well, guys, this this is how to make your airsoft spring gun, make it real with smoke effects. I need to show you how to make your spring airsoft gun into powder, white baby powder operated, white baby powder operated with a wonderful shot like a real gun with smoke, but this but the smoke will like a just like a real gun. When it fire, they really smoke. They fire with smoke. It is how to. I had this. Your if you need a baby powder, paper, and a BB spring operated gun. First, look, this is a result. Do you see this carbonate of this gun as a baby powder on here? You pull the cocking handle. Do you see a white thing here? Here in the hop-up chamber. There wasn't anything to do. You need to see the hop-up chamber on here in this under this thing. It's a chamber where the BBs load. BBs loaded here in this part, and magazine will fed release a BB inside the chamber where the BB powder is there, and we'll push there and we'll release a powder on it. How does it get the powder on? First, you need to insert BBs here, just like this. Just any airsoft BB gun, spring operated. Then put the oh my god. Put it here. Now the BB's load. It's time to load the powder. I need to load the powder here. Just pour it to the chamber. Chamber on it. Damn. That's right. Then just pull the lock again and shake the powder. After that, load the magazine and pull it again. We need to test fire this. how they did this work. Shit. You see the smoke? The smoke will come here. Let's try. Just pull this cocking handle. The both powder and BB bullet loads. Let's put on and okay. 3, 2, 1. The gunpowder still remain in the chamber. We need to try it again. Let's go. Last target. 3, 2, 1. Now we had got here a baby powder in the max, and this is the bullet is filled with gunpowder. Look, the BBs and the magazine is dirt. Dirt with gunpowder. And this is the result. The BB powder has been forced the spring powder to shake the gun itself. Gun. And the mag is dirty. Has been, you need to clog it if you don't want. This is the result. End result of this thing. And to pull this again, or just fill it here. And fire it. Fire it. And for videos, visit youtube.com. Or just comment if you like this video.